The team of National Police Service tuko imara across the country. All the cities in this country, all the regions, including our regions bordering our neighbors, we have deployed adequately. But I would like to mention one thing very important. Security starts from everybody and everyone among ourselves. Anybody who sees anything of security concern, we are asking to share with us. We have deployed ourselves adequately, but you may get information which is very useful that can help us to deal. I appeal to Kenyans to be alert and also cooperate with our officers on the ground. I'd like to caution Kenyans. We know from the Ministry of Health pronouncements, we are not still off the hook of the COVID. If it's possible, spend the Christmas festivities where you are. You don't need to move to other destinations. It will be still secure for us to remain as a team where you have been, and you are sure that where you have been, you are okay, rather than moving to a place you don't know if you are going to be okay or you are going to take a problem to other people. He has given me 3,000 prison officers whom we have declared as special police to work with National Police Service. We have resources at our disposal to ensure everybody enjoys his festivities of this season of Christmas without any disruption, including all the Kenyans working with us. I assure every Kenyan that the festivities are secured enough for you to enjoy yourself.